Today, Adidas is far more than a footwear company. It has evolved into a global sports and lifestyle brand, offering thousands of products across multiple categories that serve professional athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and everyday consumers. Its footwear collection includes high-performance running shoes, football boots, basketball shoes, tennis shoes, training shoes, outdoor hiking footwear, and iconic lifestyle sneakers worn by millions around the world. Beyond footwear, Adidas offers a complete apparel range, including professional jerseys, t-shirts, hoodies, jackets, shorts, tracksuits, and compression wear designed for both performance and everyday comfort. The company also manufactures a wide range of accessories, including backpacks, sports bags, caps, socks, and water bottles, giving customers complete solutions for training, travel, and daily life. In selected markets, Adidas also produces sports equipment such as footballs, cricket gear, goalkeeper gloves, training equipment, and fitness accessories that support athletes across multiple sports. This diversified product portfolio allows Adidas to reach customers across multiple sports, fitness, and lifestyle markets, creating strong and sustainable revenue streams around the world.